guys, how are you today?
We made it.
We did.
We made it through 2021.
Oh, amen. But I feel that 2022 is going to be powerful.
Damn right. 2022 is going to be amazing. So
yeah.
we're just going to teach better tricks. We're going to teach amazing style.
How to find that true confidence from within.
Damn right. We're going to teach you how to snatch this hair.
Yeah.
Because that's, at the end of the day, we just want to be confident and we
Yeah.
just want to feel good.
Yeah.
And
because when you find that true confidence from within, you can literally achieve whatever dream it is for you. Doesn't matter, small or big, medium size is welcome too. But when you find that confidence, that is the key and secret to success, my friends.
also, exactly like Rihanna said in all her TikTok videos, what do you do when you're having a bad day? You fake it.
Oh,
You
yeah.
fake it.
Till
And
you make
look,
it. Oh,
look
yeah.
so
Oh,
good.
yeah. It's your birthday. Oh, yeah. Should we get into the lips?
I'm down.
Are you excited? Tell me in the comments below how excited you are to hear about how to do a red lip.
Red lip. The perfect red lip. And we're only using 2 products.
2 products? Are you serious? I feel like you need like the moisturizer and the lip liner and the lip color and the whole bit, right?
Well, I mean, a little chapstick would be like a nice prep because red lips, if you're doing a matte lip, it's gonna show a little bit
Yeah.
more. So I always say, like, you know, throw a little Burt's Bees
Love
on
it, love it.
before, like while you're getting ready, putting
Yeah.
your moisture on,
Yeah.
and then going with your lip.
Yeah, like I don't know if you're anything like me, but Brady, I live obviously in a dry climate. You do too.
Yeah.
So having that dry lip is just awful. And then if you put lipstick on the top of the dry lip, what does
just
it look
looks
like?
Chunky and
Sandpaper.
cracky and just
Yeah. So
not kiss ready.
so go to bed in a chapstick.
Like, you should be putting chapstick on regularly. If you don't have a lip on, you
Yeah.
should be definitely. We don't drink a lot of water as we should.
Yeah.
So, and the lips are the first place that shows that you're dehydrated.
Yeah.
So, of course, you want to really moisture.
Lip me up, Brady.
Let's do it.
I'm excited.
All right. This, I'm really excited because I am such a lazy person, and when you're on like set and you have to be fast, and you have to move, and you have to. I just use a lip liner.
But let's talk about it for a second. Red lips, the power in it. A lot of people feeling like
Red lip is a power color. It's
Yeah.
a sexy color.
some people don't want to wear it because they're used to the neutral, right?
Yeah, they're so used to the neutral, and everybody's so afraid. And I will give you the best piece of advice that my Mac educator gave me way back in the day. Go home, put it on, clean your house, and look at yourself in the mirror, and it will change how you see colors. Because a lot of people can be scared of color, and I'm not.
And it empowers you to feel good. And when that happens, sky's the limit, right?
I have noticed, just going around like the mall with her, I have noticed the difference of when she wears a red lip versus when she just throws like a
Yeah.
gloss on. People will literally stop her and be like, I love your lip color. What is it? She's like, I don't know. My makeup artist gave it to me.
Don't you love him?
All right, so first we're just gonna go through and line. So now the reason why I use a lip pencil everywhere is because it's the ability to give me the structure and the precision that I need to really line this lip without literally fighting a full-on lipstick. So we're literally just going across, filling this in, and then you take the flat portion, the side, and just pull. Favorite part? I'll usually just try and say something inappropriate so she can't laugh. And then it gets really weird. Okay, so go ahead and look that way. So as you guys can see, like right here, we've got like a little excess, but it's lined, it's ready to go. We're completely covered. We can probably add another little bit of layer right through here, but then now we're just gonna move through. We're gonna resharpen, because you constantly resharpen when you're doing a red lip. Up. Okay, so sometimes you get like those little bumps, those little cute things. That's what concealer's for.
No way.
See, you ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
So, and with this, I'm literally gonna take a brush that has a little bit of a point to it. And then we're just gonna go and just follow the outline. And by putting that skin tone color line there, all it does is cut and create more of a precise line, but also it just covers and softens anything that we need that shouldn't be there. With this, usually I would recommend something that's a little bit long wearing, so you're not having to touch it up constantly. Also, this is going to define your line and make everything just pop.
So, no gloss on top. We are good to go.
No gloss, because I'm like, This is like winter time.
Yeah.
I love matte formulas for
Love
it.
it.
Going like with a slight satin sheen, yes. Come winter, come like red carpet, yeah, throw a glass on. Something that you're not wanting to go all day.
Yeah. I love a red lip. It makes me feel so good. And as Brady said, it empowers you to feel good. And as long as we're feeling good, our spirit is on the inside out. And so that's what radiates on the outside. And that's what people pick up. And that's when people go, oh, darling, you look great today.
Oh, and the number one rule of thumb is every bad bitch needs a red lip in her arsenal.
Love it. Love it. So if you like videos like this, please subscribe, that little notification bell. It just lets you know when our next video is coming up. And hey, what are we doing on the next one?
Lashes.
Lashes. So stay tuned to the next one. Watch our lashes video. And thanks so much. Hey, that was what? Bad and bougie.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you recording?
Yeah, recording.
Oh, we're recording.
We are recording.
We are recording.
We are recording.
We are recording.
Oh yeah.
We
Are
gonna teach people
awesome.
tricks.
Yeah, it's New Year's, right?
Yeah, I mean, let's be real.